Hey, Unicorn fam, what is up? It is your girl Ashley. So today we're going to be showing you how to make your very own DIY, oh my gosh, period kit. And so let's get into the video. So the first thing you'll need to make this is a pencil pouch, or you can use like an old Ipsy bag or whatever. This is one from Target, and I got it from the More Than Magic collection from Target's school supply thingamajig, whatever. So the first thing I have in here are my tampons. These are from Cora, which I've been loving Cora, you guys. This is like a great brand if you want a totally natural option. It is totally cruelty-free, totally vegan. It is amazing. So go check out Cora if you guys have not. They sell them at Target, or you can buy them on the Cora website. I don't remember where else they sell them, but... Okay, so the next thing I have in here is this little zippered pouch. It is leather, and I also got this from Cora. You guys can see how obsessed I am with this. Don't judge me, please. Actually, you can judge me all you want. I really don't care. Okay, so what's in here is I got 2 pads in here, and then I have some wipes. So, yeah, I like this because it has a little elastic thing that'll help keep everything like kind of in place, which is really nice. And you can just take this on the go, and it's really, really convenient. So, yeah. This comes with the Cora starter kit, and I am loving this. This is really awesome. Okay, so the next thing I have in my period kit, I have Band-Aids for some reason. So it could be a beauty kit, or it could be like a period kit, whatever you want. First aid kit, whatever you guys. You could also do this for guys too if you want to make a sport kit or something. I don't know. But the last thing I have in here is this pouch, and this is from Hi-O, and that's called HIGHOH. Okay, that was weird. So what it is it's a reusable pad. This is what it looks like. So if you're on the go or whatever, you can just stick it back in this pouch when you're done using it, and the pouch will like hold out like the discharge and stuff that comes off of the pad if any of it happens to leak. So then you can just wash it off with it, which is awesome. Another thing I don't have in my period kit, which I probably should, hand sanitizer, was, yeah, that's kind of important. I just don't have any in mine right now. And of course, Tylenol, ibuprofen, something like that, to help with, menstrual cramps and all that jazz. And I will be doing a review on this product later on, in a video maybe sometime later this week, hopefully. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to become part of the Unicorn fam, turn on post notifications, and as always, you know what I'm going to say, stay flawless, everyone.